If you own a Samsung Galaxy phone running One UI 8.5, you're probably only using a small portion of what your device can actually do. Samsung includes several built-in features that can make everyday tasks faster, improve battery health, and help you multitask like a pro. In this guide, I'll walk you through 5 Galaxy features that are genuinely useful and easy to enable. Feature 1. Dual Messenger. If you use two accounts for apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, or Snapchat, Dual Messenger is a lifesaver. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Advanced Features and tap Dual Messenger. You'll see a list of supported apps installed on your phone. Turn on the switch next to the app you want to duplicate, then tap Install and confirm. After a few moments, a second version of the app will appear in your app drawer with a small badge, allowing you to sign in with a different account without constantly logging in and out. Feature 2. Battery Protection. To help your battery last longer over the years, Samsung offers battery protection. Open Settings, tap Battery, then select Battery Protection. Turn the feature on and choose Maximum Mode. You can set a charging limit of 80%, 85%, 90%, or 95% depending on your preference. Limiting the maximum charge reduces battery wear, which is especially useful if you keep your phone plugged in overnight or plan to use it for several years. Feature 3. Edge Panels. Edge panels provide quick access to your favorite apps, contacts, tools, and more. Go to Settings, tap Display, then choose Edge Panels and turn the feature on. You'll notice a small transparent handle along the side of your screen. Simply swipe inward from that handle to open your panels, then swipe left or right to browse through the available shortcuts. It's a convenient way to launch apps without returning to the home screen. Feature 4. Camera Quick Launch. Never miss a photo opportunity by enabling Camera Quick Launch. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, then tap Side key or Power key on some models. Under double press, enable the feature and select Quick Launch Camera. Now, whenever you quickly press the power button twice, the camera opens almost instantly even if your phone is locked. If you'd rather launch another app, you can choose Open App and pick your preferred shortcut. Feature 5. Split Screen Multitasking. Split Screen lets you use two apps at the same time, making multitasking much easier. Open your first app, then swipe up and hold to access the recent app screen. Tap the app's icon above its preview and select Open in Split Screen View. The app will stay on one half of the screen while you choose a second app for the other half. This is perfect for replying to messages while watching a video, taking notes during a meeting, or comparing information between apps. Once you enable them, you'll enjoy a smoother, more productive experience and get even more value from your Galaxy phone every day.